time for maths now, and we're going to look at number block 6 again. But today we've got to think of how many different ways can we make the number 6? Can we use the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to make the number 6? So I'm going to use some number blocks. I'm going to use some objects. So you might want to go and find 6 objects. And also we're going to use Numicon. So if you ask your adult politely, say, please, can you cut out the Numicon pieces for us, please? You do have 2 pages of that if you want to use both. Okay, so if you go and get that ready, so 6 objects and your Numicon. So here we go. I'm going to start with number block number 6. So I'm going to think about how I could use the other number blocks to make number 6. So I'm going to start with, the one that goes next to number 6, which is number 5. Let's have a look. That's 5 and that's 6. Which number block do I need to put with number 5 to make number block number 6? What do you reckon? Look, how many blocks more do I need? Did you get it? I just need 1 more to make them the same height. So we can see that 5 and 1 more makes 6. Now I could show that using some objects. So I have got my objects. I've got 6 bears. I'll just prove it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we've got 6 bears, and I'm going to show that 5 and 1 equals 6. So I'm going to make a pile of 5 because of this number block. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I'm also going to make a pile of 1 because I can show that number block 5 and number block 1, and you put them together, we should get 6. Shall we see? So we've got 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 5 and 1 makes 6. 5 and 1 equals 6. And I'll show you a quick way of counting that. So if you can do it in a quick way, you could say, well, I already know I've got 5, so when I start the count, I just carry on from 5. And 1 more would be 6. We can also show that using the Numicon. Now, we haven't seen Numicon yet for number 6. Here it is. You can tell it's number 6 because it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 holes. Actually, if you look at the number 6 face, it's set out like the dice, isn't it, as well, for number 6? And it's a turquoisey colour, isn't it? A light blue. So there's number 6, and we can show that 5 and 1 is the same as 6. That makes 6 by finding the number 5. Can you remember which colour number 5 is? In the Numicon, it's red. And I'll get the 1. Can you remember what colour that one is? It's the orange one. Can you see, if I put them together, it makes the same shape as the number 6 Numicon. So I have proven using number blocks, objects, and the Numicon that 5 plus 1 makes 6. Now, you've got your objects to help you, and you've got some of the Numicon pieces that you can cut up and use. Can you find any other ways of making 6? So we've got 5 and 1 makes 6. So that's your challenge for today. How many different ways can you make the number 6? I wonder what would go with number 4. I wonder what would go with number 3. I wonder what would go with number 2. And I wonder, if I started with 1, what would I need to give to number 1? Also, could you use any of these ones more than once to make 6? Anyway, good luck. See you later.